Viewers and subscriber, the Gaza boss really changed now. But I know say yo 13 years ago, Jaden, them youth, them freaky youth and them youth are fish too. Them youth a teacher wanna really wanna hug up them youth and a big up them youth. You see me, you don't know pretty dance style already, no pretty dance ever bun anything when a straight no. You see it, you don't know say pretty dance lean and already and she not afraid to talk that already. You see it, you don't know say a woman pretty dance say and pretty dance bun fish and all kind of freaky boy, you see me? So you don't know if you want to see the full video, you don't know so what pretty than page you have to go watch it and thing, you see me? But you don't know about teacher now. You see teacher link up with the youth them from TikTok and all of them look freaky youth there. And you don't know teacher them usually say, boy we stuck front, them can't link with them, you see it? I don't know what go on the Gaza. I don't know if a person really change the teacher, make a teacher link with them youth and I take picture and yo, them thing are not funny enough people. Yeah, man, just go and comment in the comment section, said speed, you see it, and make we know anything about Jaden and teacher, them and the whole heap of freaky boy, them from over TikTok and link up and all them sitting there. The teacher just steal out him thing before the show. Yo, no taste what he rum them. Just leave in the comment section if you rum them really make it here. Yeah, man, for me, I don't know what I want for them still. No. I buy two, and them not really a work, you see. I don't know them taste so.
Kartel link up with Jaden. And I say, yo, Ray, Kartel have to be careful when you influence boy, you know. I remember see you influence. Remember say me cool with Jaden in a certain way, but Jaden are fun. Them boy, they are dirty boy, man. You feel me are dealing? This one back the argument and Ray and tell. Uno as artists, you have to be careful, boy, now push up, bro. Because I want to first did say, yo, no suck pussy that. And so from what day me notice say, uno a man where we rub shoulder with them local man here, bro. Because TikTok have them eye. In a real life, boy like Jaden back in a 5 or 6 years ago, no get no play from Jamaica. Back in the days, 5, 6, 7 years ago, boy like Jaden can't famous. You feel me I deal with? When man a real man a Jamaica, boy like Jaden can't get no views. You feel me I deal with? I just the way how the girl pick them make the world. So I be a waist man and body man and transmission and the boy get the blood forefront. You see me? Kartel, you have to be careful when you come out and run up and down back and bro. Because remember a whole heap of things they did say in your music them. You hear me I tell you now? And everybody wanna see I get views and I get if you get up and a big up because enough of them morals not right. You feel me I deal with? I don't have to know that because when I can't say this and I support them man ya. When I can't say this and I big up them man ya, bro. One of the artists them in Jamaica want to know say alright, the girl then done freak out TikTok and make TikTok to a body man place and transmission place. The girl them a support the suck pussy thing and the body thing and the fabble double thing. One of the artists them can't embrace boy like Jaden. Can't embrace boy like slime them and them kind of dirty body boy them man. You have to know that already on an artist. If you say you have an agenda as Jamaicans, you not supposed to give boy like Jaden them no hype. Boy like slime them no hype, man. Because you say we are push an agenda, right? Kartel have to know what you do, me general. And not because everybody get views like you must always rub shoulder with me general. You have to remember on the morals them want to say you not preach. You have to remember on the morals them want to say you not deal with. From not par with suck pussy boy, you not suck pussy boy. From what you me notice that the whole I want to get to this level where if you not par with no Kartel. If you not par with suck pussy boy, you not suck pussy boy, no Kartel. You understand me I deal with? You have to be careful the boy them on the embrace. You see me? One time the man they start clean up themselves, when they start embrace them the right way. When you see boy not clean up them look dirty self, when you know if you embrace them man. Because you can't say you not push one agenda for Jamaica, but you still embrace Jaden and you still embrace slime and Batman like Derek and Batman like Destiny. You can't do that, you not push no agenda then, my general. You not push no agenda for once you not rub shoulder with Batman, I rub shoulder with suck pussy boy, I rub shoulder with waste man. And that's all the country are gonna be. You have to learn how to bumbuckle highlight me general. Wanna stop highlighting powers and that's why you see world now better Kartel. Careful. Go show them envy royal or Ivy royal or whatever you want to name. Wanna embrace some good youth no man. So youth we have morals no man Kartel man. You see me? Wanna all me say well I wanna run back at the views. Anyway the views there it wanna run down. This is supposed to run back. If this is a Batman, you have views, you know what him wanna run back. We don't know no morals, man. We have learned to know how to embrace me, G. Certain man, if you get embraced from artists or even big up, then we go suck them mama and go from here. So, because you say you now push an agenda. But you can't push an agenda and embrace batty boy, suck pussy boy, waste man, them the kind of drunkard. Jamaica never go better, me, G. You see me? But because of views, you not embrace them youth here. Just because of views. Because when them teach, they not teach nothing good. Teacher, you tell people if you suck pussy. You tell people if you go suck out girl pussy. You see girl and beg them and eat. What you see girl, you open your mouth. You do that too? And that you embrace, and that is the new culture where you embrace now. Careful where you embrace me, G. Careful where you embrace. You see me? Because when you embrace the whole heap of slackness because of views. When you see suck pussy boy, I get views, you no big them up. When you see Batman, I get views, you no big them up. Sadimite, I get views, you no big them up. You have to be careful. What you big up. What you put in front of the forefront. You say you would have never suck pussy, but now you embrace a boy with suck pussy. So what is it? I chew the suck pussy boy, I get views now. So since you get views, you can suck pussy. You see me? So for once you get your views and I make you look at TikTok money, you go accept them as a Batman. Accept them as careful of your embrace. Nobody never glad to see you embrace it, bro. Believe. Because enough man look for you as a man where we say to Jah, we never fuck Batty from we born. Batty boy you gone. Oh man, we say give me all of them. I see it, y'all. Wow. Me love them endlessly. Woman bring me joy. I want to do some batty boy. But them capone. Boom boom. That the teacher say. No batty boy can come with teacher there. Remember good no man. Remember good. So when we see that, me want never views you run down or you forgot your last them. I want suck pussy boy that. I want long tongue suck pussy boy that. And you say from your band. You never suck pussy from your band. Them boy, they are gone, them gone. So you embrace them now. Views? A views make you embrace them suck pussy boy. A views make you impress with them. You're gone. For views. To blood clot views. God. Alright, me see a little beating go out with one little boy. Everybody share the life. Watch out, man. And at this time, I want to know if you always embrace and know. You see, gang violence, pitney or take girls, things that them risk and against them will. All of them sitting there starting a school right now. Wait to go take uno as adults and as parents to see that. The other day we see 7 boys do what to one little girl wrongfully. Then we see 7 little boys do what to another little boy wrongfully. Because in a school, them a promote, they the bus them a carry them to school at the time. Them little boy, they will beat up the little boy. Me used to have 4 of them on have a jail. With the other 6 there. About 12 of them, me see a maliciously beat up the woman pitney like that. Why you not have them the Batman there in a jail? Why when police catch them, police not beat them like how them beat man for weed? When time when you come catch you on corner with ganja in a way hand, 2 when you kick we up and prod we foot them apart. Sometimes we batty all one split. Why when time when you go for that little boy they want to say maliciously beat that little boy? Why would you never take something and bring them go in a one cell and watch the man them in the gang them and beat